All right, so I'm looking at, this is lesson 1-5, construct a scatter plot. This is number 3 in the lesson on Connect Math. It says the table gives the gas mileage for vehicles of different weights. Write the table values in just ordered pairs and then graph the ordered pairs. So what I'm going to do here is the weight is going to be my X value, and the miles per gallon will be my Y value. So I'm going to take and I'm going to put the corresponding row into the corresponding ordered pair X and then Y. And so all I need to do is click on the first value, the box, and type in the value, then click on the second open box, type in the Y value. Ordered pairs always have to have parentheses and a comma. That's already filled in for you. All you need to do is put the numbers. So I'm going to fill in the rest of these and then come back to part 2. All right, so I filled in the rest of the column, and then I'm going to click check answer at the bottom of my screen. Once I click check answer, then part 2 will come up. Now in part 2, because we're dealing with such large numbers, in Connect Math, they give you these 3 options typically when you are graphing. Now sometimes I have seen that this option is not there, and usually it's when you have smaller numbers. So the one way to graph is to use the pencil, but how accurate can I get to graph a point like 4,448 on this with the pencil? It's going to be very hard. And I can estimate it, but it's going to be very hard. So instead, what you should do when you have such large numbers is use this feature that they give you. And it says plot a point anywhere. And step 1 of 1, enter the X and Y coordinates. So I'm going to scroll up. My first ordered pair was 4,448, 18. So I'm going to copy that in here. And if you need a fraction, you can select that. If you need a mixed number, you can select this. Then I hit plot point, and it should plot it for me. So if I close this, you should see the little point. Going on to the next one. So I'm just going to do the ordered pairs that I had here. Hit plot, and so it'll plot it. You'll notice the little X will show up if this box isn't blocking it. And then I just continue on because it clears it out. And notice when I type them in, you can kind of see it going where it needs to go. Now, because the box is here, you can't see it on this one, but you will see the X starting to form as you start to type the numbers in. And then my last one. And now I'm going to close this box. I'm going to make sure I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should have plotted 6 items. If I need to erase something, I can click this and then click on the point, and it will erase it, and I can redo it. Then I'm going to hit check answer, and then I got the green check mark, so then I can move on to the next problem.